In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these WASSCE or chemistry problems under alcohol. So guys, we have two repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, which of the following substances would not produce ethanol when fermented? We have cane sugar, we have starch, we have glucose, we have vinegar. So guys, the right answer to this question will be option D, which is vinegar. Vinegar is a substance that would not produce ethanol when fermented. Very important. So that's it for this question. The next question with this one, it says, this is the last question. It says, which of the following substances is trihytic? So we have phenol, we have glycerol, we have glycol, we have ethanol. So the right substance here that is trihytic is our glycerol. The reason is that glycerol has 3 OH group in its structure, so that's why it's trihytic. Alright, so guys, this is basically can do problems involving alcohols for your WASSCE chemistry. Practice with 2 repeated questions for this topic. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's call it a video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel from what you have learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I have talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question on the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by hitting the subscribe button so you'll be getting premium information to help you to excel in your external exams like your WASSCE and other external exams I will be writing. Alright, so having done that, click on the next button and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.